Good evening, Mr. Wise. This is Richard Simons with the University of Houston downtown. I'm support the students, the CTs, and the mentor teachers with TK20. The student teacher reached out, let me know that you haven't received a whole lot of information from TK20, and I definitely want to make sure I send some over to you. So, real quick, when you log into TK20, you will see information here, and then you'll have home and field experience on the side. If you click on the field experience tab, then the student teachers field binder will come up for you. And if we click on the student's name, what's going to happen is your screen is going to become a split screen with information here on the left hand side that where the student did. So we can click through here for student teaching and for their reflections, and then here on the right hand side, this is where your information is, and then also Miss Matthews' information is. It looks like she has been working on it here as well. So all of the forms that you see here on the right hand side are yours. I will let you know when you see the word confirmation on the form. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the majority of the ones here on the bottom, anytime confirmation, these are all forms where you are attaching a signature to that you completed with either Miss Matthews and the student through the semester. So when Miss Matthews came and did the t-test rubric, right, and then went over that with you, so this is you coming in, clicking the box, attaching your electronic signature to that, and then hitting save and close. I'm not going to save and close. I'm going to go back. A few of the other forms at top, these are the teacher ratings by the cooperating teacher that you completed throughout the semester. And then we do have the midpoint and the final discussion form, the rating, and then also the professional attributes for student teachers that we have. And then when you are finished with any of these, I'll show you. Let's open up the attributes form here. You complete it very similarly to SurveyMonkey or any of those other options. And when you go through and you complete the rubric here at the bottom, at the very bottom there it is. I'll move my screen down a minute. It's going to hit save and close. Work the same way. I'll let you know if you see grade here. This is hard-coded into TK20 from when they developed the system a long time ago, and there's no need for you to put any information on there. If there's anything else I can do, please let me know. Again, thank you so much for supporting our students, and I hope that you have a fantastic evening.